Sino ba ang bagong dating? Next is yung win to win. Win to win. Sino yung nag-win kanina? Eh, wala lang. Pati kayo, di ba? Kuya, what's your name? Ha? Joel. Anong position ng Joel? Position, Joel. Ha? Center? Lahat sa'yo. Ikielong ka. Dahil sa'yo na. So, next game, sino na naman kanina? Sila Meman? Team 2 versus Team 6. Wala si DTV. Eh, pero wala kang player yun. Yung nakakalaki. Lahat nakalaro. Lahat ba nakalaro? Hindi. Ilan kayo? Apat sila. So, sino yung hindi mo mayala. Ito ba muna sa isang team? Apat sila. Hindi mo malaman sila. Kami? Lahat sila na lang. Sila na yung nakalaro. Ito, umpisa ka natin lahat dahil Team 5. Ay, sila Omar! Team 5. 4 and 5 muna pala. Team 4 and 5. Mabutot kayo. Patingin ko naman ang Team 4 and 5. 4 dito, sa kanila. 4, tapos 5 sa kanila. Dito mo sa Team 4, sino mula? Sa Team 4 mula ng middle. Middle na. Team 4. Team 4. Dito ka. Middle na. Iyon. Team 4, middle. Ayun na. Wait lang. Thank you. Tama. That-means dapat. Okay, go. Ayo, alam ko lang yun. Di, pero ano yung kapilero? Team 5 ba kayo? Sino ang kapilero? Team 5 ka? Pangilin kayo. Saan ka? Okay ka. Ay, nakalang daw sa ako.
a battle between UT versus Iran. Good reception. Sinet. Power team Pagla. Struggling. Alright, so far, tumaas. Paano rin ako po sumagi mo ang spend ko ay sariling gastos. Maraming salamat. Still on service 9, number 25. Bad reception this time. Off-speed hit by Parado. So, out of the context is set. So, check out 3-0 in favor of Integral Team Tagiliman. Almost a service case. So, off the set lane, but still check ball. The rally is still ongoing. Off speed, good beat. Bad set. And it's all ended with a power team coming from Team Asahan. It's a backing set, got Ulton with an off block. It's a back set off hitting by Parado. Chance ball. Another chance ball attack, no? So, I think that materialized from the team. Still on the surface line, number 1 from the Purple Young Company. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Service is not over. Our service time is 4-2. Season shoot 1-1. Season shoot 1-1. The customers area, please. Outside. Now on the service line, middle number 4. I think that is left. So good service is also a good set. And good local explanation point. Our score right now is 5-3.
Pagod na ako. Inaban nila ako. Ano live? Nice one.
Outside. Ang ating score, all 5. And then kung matinal Christian po, wala pa lang. Si Keith. Si Keith lang daw po. Nandiyan na daw po ba? Thanks po. Ang score, 7-6. Isipin mo, sinetapa, final, outside. Ang score, 8-6. Service. Service net. Score, 7-8. Outside. kay Mama Sam. Ang score, 8-9. Sinet sa dos, Pinano, down the line. 1-9 ang score. Service by Mama Sam. Outside. Score, 9-10. 8-2. Service by Impulse. Sino sa tres? Isa. Change favor. Kaya natin. Short. Is received. Lock by RP. Score 12-10. Receive by William. Sinet sa dos. Ang score, receive. Sinet sa dos. Ang score, 12-11. Net touch. All 12. Easy. Sinet sa dos. Pinano. No score. Puntos. Score. 30-12. Change score. Ang ating score ulit ay 30-12 in favor of Team Johan. Miss score 14-12. Sinet sa dos. Sinet sa dos. Pinano. Score of the top. Ang ating score ay 12-15. Outside. Service by the Luna. Outside. Score 16-13. Service by Barbie. Sinet sa dos. Pinano. Sinet sa tres. Mama Sam. Off the block. Score 17-13. Service by Barbie. Receive by Cortez. Sinet sa right. Pinano. Set sa quadro. Check ball. Tuloy ang laban. Sinet sa dos. Net. Okay. Score nila Black. Score 19-20. Warning. Inside. Last 30. 17. Team party. Team 4 wins. Next one. Score po nila 13-21 po. Next game is Team 6 versus Team Leman. Team 6 versus Team 2. Kompleto kayo, Leman? Okay. Team 6 kompleto din kami. Team 6 versus Team 2. Pink and orange, pasok na. Pink. Ha? Revenue by RK, galing pa po yan ng Taiwan. Yung bagong dating, pagsabi ng memo pe. Anong daw pangalan ng bagong dating? Pwede kang tumisin mo pe. Service by number 7, receive by 30, sent by number 1, Pinagok, receive by number 8, sent by Pena, hey! Outside. Service by number 12. Service by Madam. Receiver. Pinagok. Hey! Number 5. Service by Madam. Receiver number 12. Receiver number 4. Pinagok number 14. Receive by 18. Pinagok number 12. Receive by number 12. Ang kita, si number 2. Kinatahan kay Keman, natakot. Natakot kay Keman. Service by Madam. Receive by number 13. Over by number 14. Receive by number 5. Sinek, pinala ni Keman. Minuto ni Karen. Tinitigan na sama. Not over. Service by Madam. Outside. Ay. Service by number 4. Okay, by number 7. Service by Madam. Receive by number 4. Outside. Service by Barbie. Barbie. Number 18 service. Receive number 12. Sinek. Good. Tama. Nice one. Right by number 8. Ang score, 6-2. Lamang ang team ni Nabema. Service by Marty. Point by number 2. Ang score, 6-3. Service by number 40. Receive by number 7. Sinet. Inopen. Block by number 13. Score by service by number 5. Receive by number 2. Sinet by number 4. Ang dalawang isip. Receive. Di number 9. Sinet by Badak. Outside. Service by number 2. Ang score, 7-4. Receive by number 18. Inalo. Number 8. Number 28. Ang score, 7-5. Lamang ang number 15. Service by number 2. Receive by number 5. Sinete mo na. Good, good, good. Sento mo na. Okay, ano tinawag na rin? Ano tawag na rin? Magpuli. Okay, balik. Challenge. Challenge siya. Service by number 12. Good sir. Receive by number 2. Number 4. Pinali ni Ruben. Kinakabahan mo lamang ni Ruben. Service by number 12. Good sir. Outside. Ang score, 9-6. Service by Ruben. Si by number 7. Sinet, Nerani. Not over. Huwag ka tumalang, Nema. Service by number 12. Ay, hindi pa. Receive by 8. May pwede yung time out. Service by 12. Ball by number 8. Ang score, 10-8. Lamang mati nila service by number 8. Not over. 10-9. Service by number 13. Si number 5. Set by wala. Pinalo by number 7. Receive by number 8. Not over. 11-9. Hindi na over the team. Sabi ni Mema. Number 4. Set by number 40. 12-9. Lamang sila Mema. 12-9. Service by number 7. Receive by number 4. Binigay sa press. Binigay sa open. Not over. 12-10. Service by number 12. Receive by number 18. Sinagin mo lang sa press. Hey! Nakapagay mo pa. Number 14. Ingat ka dyan, number 14. Halikan ka niya. Ingat ka dyan, halikan ka niya. Okay, score. Outside. 13-11. Dalawa na lang, dalawa. Service by number 4. Outside. 14-11. Lamang sila service by number 18. Receive by 10. Set by number 4. Pinalo. Points na ng kabila. Service by number 40. Receive by number 7. Sine. Pinalo. Receive. Receive to number 5. Wait, hindi ka na madulas. Set by number 4. Number 2, ito lang. Good! Good, good. Receive by number 10. Number 4. Ito. Wala. Number 40. Select number 4. Sa open. Binang number 8. Select na. Hinula. Receive. Okay. Ingat po tayo. Ingat tayo. Amen man. Service by number 5. Number 4. Right. Pinalo na number 7. Receive na number 14. Sinip. Ang score, 15-13. Service by number 2. Receive by number 7. Send by Naga. Ay! Bakit ba yung mga kamewa? Service by number 2. Isa na lang po ang lagong nila Nema. At walang receive! Ayan. All 15. Not over. Service by number 12. Receiving back. Sinet. Nice set. Nice. Set by number 8. Pinalo na lang. Receiving back. Sinet. Ito lang. Yay. All 16. Service by number 1. Okay. Receive by number 5. Select sa press. Pinalo block. Points. Bilang 10. 17-16. Service by number 8. Receive by number 8. Pinalo na number 2. Pinalo na number 4. Receive by number 8. Pinalo na number 7. Outside. All 70. Service by number 13. Good serve. Sinet. Hey! Over. Laban na po ang team nila puti. Service by number 13. Good serve. Receive by number 5. Sinet. Ano rin? Sabi na rin, check ball ka. Sabi na rin, check ball. Huwag yung talakan ng referee. Service by number 7. Running. Black. Good. Second sa open. Receive by number 8. Set by number 8. Binigay sa Vicky. Hey! Outside. Ang score, 20-18. Laban na ang team nila puti. Service by number 12. Select is open. Select number 1. Select is open. Hey! Kito. Kaya naman. Last 18. Ay, nagmina. Ang score, 20-19. In favor of Service by Madam. Okay, naman. Inside. Loose. Ay, loose. Service by Madam. Halika, Peggy. Wala daw check ball. Okay. Maglalakad ka na mamaya pa uwi. Okay. Service by Madam. Advantage na. Ay, sit. Sinat na naman. Pinalo. Kasi wala mo puti. Sinat na naman. Pinalo na naman to. Masyado bigit ang laban. All 21. Service by number 4. Receive by number 8. Sinat, iba lang. Iba lang number 5. Yeah. Inside. In favor of penalty. Service by Barbie. Nice game between pink and orange. Next game. Punta na po sa court.